Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on DBMS. So let's start with question number 1. DBMS manages the interaction between dash and the database. Your options are A. Users, B. Clients, C. End users, D. Stakeholders. And the correct answer is A. Users. Question number 2. Which of the following is not involved in DBMS? Option A. End users, B. Data, C. Application request, D. HTML. And the correct answer is D. HTML. Question number 3. Database is generally option A. System oriented, B. User centered, C. Company centered, D. Data centered. And the correct answer is B, that's user centered. Question number 4. The restriction placed on the data. Option A. Relation, B. Attributes, C. Parameter, D. Constraint. And the correct answer is D. Constraint. Question number 5. In the relational model, cardinally is termed as option A number of tuples, B a number of attributes, C a number of tables, D a number of constraint. And the correct answer is A, that's a number of tuples. Question number 6. The data dictionary tells the DBMS option A what files are in the database, B what attributes are possessed by the data, C what these files contain, D all of the above. And the answer is D all of the above. Question number 7. Which of the following is a database administration's function? Option A. Database design, B. Backing up the database, C. Performance monitoring, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 8. In hierarchical model, records are organized as A. Graph, B. List, C. Links, D. Tree. And the correct answer is D. Tree. Question number 9. The language used in application programs to request data from the DBMS is referred to as the A. DML, B. DDL, C. VDL, D. SDL. And the answer is A. DML. Question number 10. Related fields in a database are grouped to form a option A. Data file, B. Data record, C. Menu, D. Bank. And the correct answer is B. Data record. Question number 11. The database environment has all of the following components except A. Users, B. Separate file, C. Database, D. Database administration. And the correct answer is B. Separate file. Question number 12. The language which has recently become the de facto standard for interacting application with relational database system is A. Oracle, B. SQL, C. DBase, D. 4GL. And the correct answer is B, that's SQL. Question number 13. A report generator is used to A. Update file, B. Print files on paper, C. Data entry, D. Delete files. And the correct answer is B. Print files on paper. Question number 14. The properties of a database are A. It is an integrated collection of logically related records. B. It consolidates separate files into a common pool of data records. C. Data stored in database is independent of the application programs using it. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 15. Primitive operations common to all record management system include A. Print, B. Sort, C. Lookup, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Lookup. Question number 16. Each of data files has a dash that describes the way the data is stored in the file. Your options are A. File structure, B. Records, C. Fields, D. Database. And the correct answer is A. File structure. Question number 17. Periodically adding, changing and deleting file records is called file. Option A. Updating, B. Upgrading, C. Restructuring, D. Renewing. And the correct answer is A. Updating. Question number 18. Data item characteristics that are important in data management include A. Punctuation, B. Language, C. Spelling, D. Width. And the correct answer is D. Width. Question number 19. What is the name given to the database management system which is able to handle full text data, image data, audio and video? Your options are A. Full media, B. Graphics media, C. Multimedia, D. Hypertext. And the answer is C. Multimedia. Question number 20. A top to bottom relationship among the items in a database is established by a option A. Hierarchical schema, B. Network schema, C. Relational schema, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Hierarchical schema. Question number 21. Which of the following is not a relational database? Option A. Base 4. Option B. Fourth dimension. Option C. Foxflow. Option D. Reflex. And the correct answer is D. Reflex.